Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys my winter morning routine. I like to start the day off by going through my daily planner, and I'll check to see if I have anything that I need to complete or if there's anything that I have missed for the past few days. And I woke a bit early this morning, so I had a bit more time to spend in bed just to get myself together. So I spent that time by just going through some notes, and I also do my daily scripture reading in the morning, and it's a good way to start the day to get my mind all focused, and that's what I'm doing before I even get anything done. This part of the video is brought to you by Dossier Perfume. So this month I got their Spicy Orchid, which is the Tamsford Black Orchid, and this scent retails for only $39. Can you believe it, guys? Comparing this price to the original price, this is a very good bargain. So with Dossier perfumes, they are high-end scents at a fraction of the cost, and it's no infamous brand tax. They also have a risk-free system where you can try a perfume, and if you don't like the scent, you can always send it back for exchange or a refund, and that enables you to try the scent before committing to them. This next scent is the aromatic watermelon, and this is based off the Ralph Lauren's Polo Blue. On the website, you can get this scent for only $19, while the original is priced at $65. So that is a huge difference with the price. With the Dossier perfume, you can get up to 20% off on your first purchase. You also get great deals when you buy in bulk. And remember that they are open to feedback and suggestions for any future release. They also have new scents coming out each month, and this would be the perfect gift to surprise your special one for Valentine's Day. Click on the link in the description of this video to get a discount code that you can apply to your Dossier purchase. I love these two scents that I got this month, and I also like to layer these scents because the scent is able to last for the entire day. Back to my morning routine. So babe normally leaves out super early in the morning, but this specific morning he had overtime, so he left as early as I think it was about 3 in the morning, and I barely got any sleep after he left because I swear Dream thinks that she is a baby, and I had to be waking up every hour of the morning because she kept barking and waking me up. So guys, when I tell you this morning was so rough for me, I was exhausted. And before I got out of bed, I said a quick prayer just to start my morning right, because you know we can't do anything without our prayer and keeping God along with us through our daily journeys. And I went back. So this was me just trying to get going, and I was so tempted to crawl back in that bed. I don't know if it's the winter. It must be the winter that has me feeling like this, because I am fighting to get out of bed in the morning. And I just quickly put away my tablet, and then I attempted to spread this bed. Guys, I am pretty sure that when I was buying this bed, I didn't realize how hard it would be to get it spread in the morning, because it takes up so much space in this room. But I normally just pull the blanket over and do a quick thing just to, you know, get our morning going, because I'm normally strapped for time, and I made sure not to have on any panty with any hole after Tim mentioned that in that video. I'm like, nope, I'm throwing those away. I then head to the bathroom to get myself all cleaned up in the morning before Nevea wakes, and I normally try to do a quick morning face wash. It's not a full face routine because all I do is wash my face, and sometimes I even forget to apply any moisturizer, which I know that is very bad for my skin, especially during winter time. But I just think that the less things I use on my face, it's actually the better that I've seen my skin look. Luckily, I came out of the bathroom the same time Nevaeh woke up because I heard her calling Mom. So I quickly went to her room. She normally likes to go to sleep with a bottle of water close beside her because when she wakes up in the night, she will drink some water and go back to sleep. So that's what she was handing me, and I just told her to just lie down for a bit so that mommy could go and get dressed, and then I would come and take her and get her ready for the morning. While she's lying down in bed, Dream will come and check on her several times because once she hears any movement in Nevaeh's room, she is gonna come and check to see if Nevaeh is okay. So that's what she was doing, and she was anxiously waiting for Nevaeh to get out of bed, but Nevaeh doesn't normally get up unless mommy comes and lifts her up and takes her to the other bed. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's time to rise and shine. It's time to rise and shine. Good morning. Good morning. I hope you're feeling fine. You feeling fine? Yeah. Say good morning. Say good morning. 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 Good job. Good job. You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You captivate me. All I need is to know that I'm beating your heart and never being apart. All right, ready to go? You want tea?
Yeah.
All right. Let me turn off your sewing machine first. All right. Let's go. Let's go, knock it. But you can't get tea because you're coughing. I'm gonna give you some juice and a snack. Is that okay? Is that okay? Alright, pumpkin pie. Do you want to watch something? Alright. Your tattoo is gonna be there shortly. So Nevaeh will lie down in my bed and she'll watch some cartoon in the morning until I am all ready to get her cleaned up. So while I'm in the kitchen getting my breakfast ready and getting her stuff ready for daycare, she will just relax in the bedroom. And this morning I didn't make any breakfast. I just had prepared my oats and that I normally put in my lunch kit. I'm still tired as you can see, and I just grab a snack for her, and I then pack my bag. And after I pack my bag, I'll take it and put it aside so that everything is ready to go, so that I can just grab everything and I'm not leaving anything behind. I then take Dream outside so that she can go potty, and she knows as soon as I take down that leash it means that it's time to go. So she'll sit and wait for me to attach her leash, and then she's all ready to go outside and do her business and come back in. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything. You okay?
Yeah.
You don't want to go to school? But you're going to play with your friends? Yes, you're going to play with your friends? You're going to have a fun day? Yeah.
Look at me.
I can say that. I can see a dummy. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. Alright. Are you ready to go?
Oh, I want to go.
You don't want to go to school? But you're gonna have fun. And you're gonna play with your little friend. What's the name of your little friend?
My house down. My toy. My toy is Mama toy. My toy. My toy is Mama house down.
Really?
No, my toy.
In your toy?
Toy.
Oh.
I toy with my house down.
He hit your house down?
No, toy.
Joy?
Yeah.
What did he do?
It's toy. So Mama down.
He hit your house down?
No, toy.
Joy hit your house down?
Yeah.
Oh no, did you tell him that he shouldn't hit your house down?
Yeah.
Did he fix back your house? Oh, okay, as long as he fixed it back. Alright, let me go get your shoes.
I don't want to touch.
Well, you have to wear shoes.
I don't want to touch.
You gotta wear shoes.
I don't want to touch.
You're gonna go to school barefoot? And you're gonna say, why is that girl barefoot? She's walking without any shoes! Oh my gosh! She ain't got no shoes on! Is that what you want them to say? They're gonna say, where is her shoes? Stop making it. Hold on. I got it, I got it. Hush, baby. Hush, my juicy little sweet.
I want to have my hair.
Yeah, I'm just gonna brush up your hair quickly, okay?
No, no.
Come, puppy. Can I do it one time and then you can do it? Please? But we gotta go. Alright, let me just do it quickly. And by the time you squint, I'm finished, Debbie. Before you squint, I'm done. It's alright, my baby. Do you wanna lie down? Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Alright, but you can go lie down as soon as mommy is done. You don't have to be fussy. Alright, baby. See, look at that. Mommy is all done. I told you mommy was gonna be finished quickly. Mommy finished within a second. Check that out. Wow. You don't wanna go?
Yeah.
But you're gonna have fun. You don't wanna have fun?
Yeah.
Alright, hush baby. Look at her. Isn't she so cute? So beautiful. Wow. So because it's winter, I have to go out every morning and heat up the car and defrost the windscreen. Then I'll get Dream into her cage. She knows what time it is. And Take your time.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came.
Can I help you with something?
Station Duncan, how can I help you?
Hi, can I have the cocoa mocha iced signature latte?
I didn't ask for a food inspector.
Which size would you like?
The smallest size. It's a medium.
A medium?
Yeah.
And is that ice or hot?
Can I have it iced?
Ice, okay.
Yes. And can I have extra pumps of caramel?
Rachel and Anjali's ceremony is supposed to start.
You wanted the milk, but you want caramel added to it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I will also have the sausage, egg, and cheese on a croissant.
Okay, can I get you anything else?
No, that will be it.
If you're a word member, you earn 90 points. It goes 941 at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Maybe you're right, Bubba. Maybe I just need to get creative.
Yes, booty booty. I'm getting coffee because mommy is tired. Huh? Yes, you have muffin. I'll get some for you when you're coming home from school today, okay? Alright, funky funky. Yeah? Yeah, eat up your muffin first. Are you finished eating your muffin? Hello.
941.
Okay. Hold on, pumpkin. Hold on. Hold on. Thank you. Alrighty.
You have a good day, Tia.
Thank you. Same to you. Huh? We're not home. We're going to school. We're not home. No, we're not home. Huh? You see the bus? Yeah. 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 The bus. Yeah. That's a, what is that, baby? That's a school bus. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. School bus. Round and round. Round and round. The wheels of... Okay, you sing it, baby. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Yeah! Good job, baby. Huh? Yes. Swish, swish, swish. Swish. Okay, sorry. Go ahead.
Are you okay, Nani? That's another big hiccup. Look, everyone, it's Ma.
Good job, baby. Huh? My turn?
Yeah.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the... Your turn?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Come on, do you know where your class is? Good morning. Do you know where it is? Yeah. Yeah, good job. I just dropped off Nevaeh and she was giving me a little what. She was so excited. She's normally excited to go. She runs in and she gets settled. But let me tell you guys, Nevaeh is so much like her daddy. Like, Tim has to, he goes by routine. I am structured and I like routine too. But if something change, I can easily adapt to it. Like, I just go with the flow. While Babe, no, Babe doesn't like to adapt and go with the flow. He'll have a harder time adapting to change. And Nevaeh, guys, when I said Nevaeh is her dad to the T, Nevaeh does not do well with change in her routine at all. So like in the morning, I have to leave out extra early just to make sure that she gets to, because normally how it is at this daycare, the kids go in one classroom before and stay, like, you know, like before school care, kind of like that. So Nevaeh gets used to going to that classroom, getting to bond with this one teacher. This is one teacher that, like, she loves Nevaeh. Nevaeh loves her. So as soon as she sees Nevaeh, she picks up Nevaeh. Nevaeh is excited to go with her. She's the only one that can get Nevaeh calm and settled in the morning. And a while ago, the time, because I'm running behind time because Duncan took up the whole of my morning. I've never spent so long at Duncan before, and I wasn't able to drop her off at her usual time. And then she reached in and she's ready to run into the classroom that she goes to every morning. And I had to be like, no, Nevaeh, that's not the classroom that you're going in. You need to go into your actual classroom. And she was not having it, guys. She was like, no, I'm not going. So then the teacher that does the before school care, she saw Nevaeh and she came and took Nevaeh from me, so that Nevaeh, she said when Nevaeh settled down, she'd carry Nevaeh over to her classroom. So I'm super grateful for that, because whoo, Nevaeh was not having it this morning. She was like, nope, I'm not going. But yeah, I noticed that with her from an early time. I thought she was a tiny baby. Like, that's why I love how she works with routine. Like, she knows, okay, this needs to be done, that needs to be done, and that's how she works. But if you change the slightest bit of her routine, she is not gonna be happy. She's gonna like throw a fit, because this morning she was super cranky. She's very tired in the morning. She's like, she's not wanting to get up, and I put her to bed her regular bedtime, but it's just that, I guess probably because it's winter, she's like very sluggish during winter, and it's not bright and sunny and chirpy. Because when it's summer, she is up and ready to go, like, but winter time, nope. So yeah, and I'm on my way to work now. Normally, like, I would drop Nevaeh off, go to work, and then probably midday or so I go get coffee, or like whenever I can go get coffee, or ask somebody to pick up some for me on my way to work, because my coworker brought me to Starbucks, because everybody is Starbucks. I want to include that clip right here to that early in the week. So everybody in the office is all Starbucks girlies, and I'm not really a huge fan of coffee like that, but I drink it when I need it, like when I feel drained, I need some pick me up. So by Thursday, Friday, because I have a work event this evening, I'm like, yep, I need this coffee. And I couldn't sleep last night. I didn't get to sleep last night because dream. So, you know, I was like, nope, I'm gonna be needing this coffee. Like, I cannot go to work without getting this, because whew, I'm so sleepy. But yeah, comparing Starbucks to Dunkin', I do not like Starbucks. I like the Frappuccino, I think is what it's called, the Frappuccino, but that's it. I don't like their latte. Dunkin' latte, I had to get additional sugar added to make it even taste like it should, because it was not sweet enough. I like sweet things, so I'm sticking to my Dunkin' latte, definitely, and it's cheaper too, so why not? Like, Dunkin' for me. And every now and then I'll probably get Starbucks, but I'm sticking to Dunkin' for now. Alright guys, so this is my first time going to Starbucks. Tira is taking
the best place ever.
Tira gets her Starbucks every morning.
Every morning.
Yeah, I'm gonna go check it out with her, and she's gonna be suggesting. Yes, you look
Have
nice.
a great day, everybody. You know, today's an amazing day to thank God for waking you up this morning, you know, and we're going to enjoy the Starbucks. Be blessed, be beautiful, and stay kind. You know, do something for somebody else today.
I love that. She's always so motivated. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. This is the one that Erica has.
Yeah,
right?
well, hers is Disney.
Oh, Disney. Okay, okay. I have a pink one.
I love this one. Oh my god.
Ooh, these are
I
nice.
love this.
These are nice.
That lemon one?
You like the lemon one?
I like the lemon and the banana.
Oh, they all look so good.
Yeah, good.
Like, ooh. Oh, venti ice mocha. Okay. Okay, it looks super pretty. Oh, I'm gonna try it.
She's going to love it because she loves sugar.
Yes. I'm gonna tell you guys if it's worth all of the hype that everybody goes crazy about Starbucks. Oh, Starbucks
She can
is the
thank her
best.
Merlin friend later.
Yes. I love when you say Merlin. Like, Merlin.
Go ahead, Jordan.
Okay. So they do have Starbucks in Jamaica that came a few years ago, but I've never tried it. Like,
Try it.
this is nice.
I told you.
And this is what I got. This is the caramel crunch frappuccino. Woo! So yummy.
So sweet. Heart attack.
Alrighty. So, hey Tara. Hey girl. Alright guys, so I just got to Nevi's daycare. I'm about to go pick her up. And I have a work event, so I have to hurry home. So yeah, I'm gonna make this pickup super fast and get going so that I can go home, get her bathed and ready so I can head to my work event that's happening tonight. Yeah. So today was a good day. I'm super grateful about that. Got a lot of stuff done and all, you know, so yeah. Happy Friday. Come on.
Mommy,
Yeah.
Mommy, Mama.
Oh, Nevaeh, let me help you. Thank you. Come, pumpkin. Ready to go, pumpkin? All right, baby. Yeah, fire truck. Hey, pumpkin pie. You want water?
No, my juice.
Girl, make up your mind. You ready to go see Daddy? Yeah?
Daddy, I think cake.
Daddy's inside. Take your time. No running. No running. Take your time. And thank you for sticking around and watching this entire video, guys. I'll see you all. Oh, before you go, please make sure you're subscribed. And if you haven't as yet, drop a comment down below and tell me what was your favorite part of my morning routine. And I will see you all in another video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.